Hey guys, let me walk you through a very simple trick on how to get your daily buyers every day. So from this chart, as you can see here, this is a Euro USD chart, a 1 week time frame, right? You can see this is a bullish time frame. For those of you who do not know, a bullish time frame is when the market is going in the upwards direction, right? So as you can see from here, it's one direction. It's a bullish direction, right? Now, as the common saying, the trend is your friend, so you have to trade along with the trend. So in this scenario, what do you want to do? You want to be a buyer in this type of market. You don't want to be selling. Now, when you go over to the daily time frame, right? You go over to the daily time frame. What do we have now? So the market traded down here, created this bearish fair value gap here. Now, this big bullish candle, as you can see here, it did three things. One, it took out sell stops down here. This week, it took out sell stops down there, and it closed completely above this bearish fair value gap, making it an inversion fair value gap, right? Which is also a good sign if you want to see bullishness. If you want to see bullishness, you want to see the market closing above bearish fair value gaps, right? Now, it also closed above this bearish candle, the open of this bearish candle, which is an order block, right? Now, this bullish candle also created this big BC right here, right? This BC, which is also a form of a fair value gap. So the market opened on Tuesday, traded down into this BC, and then exploded up again. So now what do we have on the current day? So on Monday here, market traded down into this small fair value gap, into this daily fair value gap, as you can see right there. Now, when you are bullish, you want to be, your main focus is on the upside. You want to look for previous day highs as your target, previous session high, London session high, ASEAN session high as your target, right? But you also want to see the market try to take out previous day lows, uh, London lows, ASEAN lows, New York lows, whatever, as a form of liquidity also. And you want to see the market also reject from bullish fair value gaps, not closing below. Do you understand? So now on this day we have what, a daily fair value gap right here, which we can see the market already trying to reject from it. Your first buy side liquidity is your previous day high. Previous day high is your first buy side liquidity. All right, let's play this forward. Let's play this forward. All right. Now you go over to the, now we have already determined we are bullish, right? We've determined one, your overall bias, you are bullish. Two, we have determined um our liquidity, which is the previous day high, Monday old high, and then the market also traded into uh, the daily fair value gap, right? So now we want to look for a reason to buy this market. Now, this is our target right here, the previous day high. Now, depending on the session you trade, some people trade London session, some people trade New York session. So it depends on what you trade. So let's push this forward. So this is a London session right now. As you can see, nothing has been presented so far. All right, what's that? So this candle right here, 1:30 p.m. was like session right now. What do we have here? We have this uh we have this big BC right here, but before that, you had what, a run on sell stops here. That's number one. Two, a breaking market structure here, and this becomes what? A breaker, right? Also with this BC. So what do? Put your you set your buy limit inside here. This is a breaker with the BC. Set your buy limit here, and your stop loss should be all the way down here. Do you understand? Now where is your target? Your target is previous day high, obviously. Previous day high, obviously. So this is 2 points. This is a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, right? So let's play. Let's see how the market plays out. And right there, TP right there. Do you understand? So you want to trade, you want to you want to trade in line with the trend. That's number one. But you also want to see the market align with the things that you want to see. So if you go to the daily time frame, you notice that you notice that after we came outside this daily fair value gap, the next target was what? The previous day high. Do you understand?